beautiful.
Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here. Molives TV. Another day, another adventure.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Woo, guys, we're gonna get into the video in just a little bit, but I did want to shout out this awesome company that sent me a couple bags. Remember when I had my appendix out 2 weeks, or now it's like a month ago. The doctor said that I couldn't lift anything heavy or anything, so I had to go back to a rollerboard. So eBags hit me up and they were like, yo, Molives, I know that you had surgery, like we want to send you a couple bags. And I was like, yo, no way, let's go. And they're not just any bags, guys. These are the new, so this is the new 22-inch expandable roller bag we got right here with the J-hook. Guys, if you don't have a J-hook on your bag, like, congratulations, you're playing yourself. Because, I mean, it's known throughout, like, the crew, bada bing, bada boom, you got this. And then you got the crew cooler, too, which is literally the Lamborghini of all crew coolers. You literally toss it on like that, bada bing, bada boom, and I'm out. Peace out, like and subscribe, guys. The reason I call this the Lamborghini of the coolers, guys, is literally because it has so many pockets and it's so spacious. Look at this bad boy. I'm like so stoked. I would always see like the senior moms, you know, they would have like this bag because they've been a flight attendant for like 75 years. So they were like, yeah, I'm gonna buy like a nice bag and stuff. So boom, eBags hooked it up. Look at this. I usually pack like enough food for like 1.5 days, even though I work like 3-day trips, just because my other bag wouldn't fit it. Bada bing, bada boom, can fit everything right in here. And in the top, you got all of the room for the dry stuff, you know, your protein powder because we work out a lot, and you know, almonds, Cliff Bars, everything you guys might need in there. Super dope. And then you got this expandable carry-on, super sick bag right here. You got pockets up here. Literally, you got pockets on your pockets. And as flight attendants, we want things to be easily like accessible, so you can put like all your chargers in here. Actually, I could probably fit my drone in right here. Yo, come closer, bro. It's got like this padding in here too, so that would actually be really good to toss my drone in there. And then I can toss my laptop in between here. There's just like so many other extra pockets and stuff. But for real, guys, if you are in the market for some new luggage, definitely check out eBags. They have really great products. And also, especially this crew cooler too. This is unreal. This is honestly, like I said before, like the best crew cooler you can get. So check them out, and back into the video. Happy Flight Attendant Day to every... Did you guys know that?
Oh,
it's
yeah.
like National Flight Attendant Day. I don't know who makes these up. You know, like tomorrow Johnny's gonna be like, oh hey, it's National High Five Day. Johnny, you made it up. It's not a real thing, bro. So guys, we're at the airport right now in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We did realize yesterday it is Oklahoma flashback. Where are we, gentlemen? Where are we?
We are in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Tulsa, right. Oklahoma.
Now Oklahoma.
35 minutes? Yeah?
40.
40 minutes until the plane gets here?
I don't know. An hour.
An hour. Awesome.
Too
Wow.
long.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so we got an hour until the plane comes. We're working 3 flights. End up in Ontario, which is in California. It's like kind of LA, but like more inland, so it's like I can't go to LA unless I want to like drive an hour, which I don't want to do.
Boring.
Tika said she wanted to be on the camera today, so I mean, I don't know.
Yeah?
She said she wanted to. You see good, come on. I mean, you know. Okay. You know, I mean, sometimes people want to be on camera, sometimes people don't. You know what I'm saying? Like Stacy's holding the camera. She's like, I don't want to be on camera. I'm like, that's perfect, because I need a videographer today. That sounds amazing. What a classic Flight Attendant Appreciation Day. Unscheduled aircraft swaps. Not bad. Not bad. How'd you guys like that on your leg? Another day in the office, you know, that's what we do. Classic Flight Attendant Appreciation Day. Unscheduled aircraft swaps.
Look at the palm tree, my friend, in the wind.
I'm the turtle, bro. They call me Crush, man.
Heck.
What are you laughing at? You don't think someone could have a crush on me? So we're just go, go, go. And we have another aircraft swap when we get to Denver.
I know, this is
And then we'll finally get to Ontario at some point tonight. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she gave us a look.
The cameraman's up here, y'all. He wants to see unicorns and centaurs.
No, we gotta be 11.
Yeah, I gotta sign everybody in this, right?
My pretty pony.
Am I signing your?
My little pony.
My little pony.
Unless you want me to.
I just need one room. I have 3 keys right here.
There were though.
Oh, alright. I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
So this is your sound buffer?
Yeah, you can hold it if you want. Just hold it up like this.
Claire.
And yes, Sierra.
You just talk right into it. You just talk. Say whatever you want.
Sorry.
Hi there.
Claire thought I spoke.
I'm gonna go get
Oh, this is for me.
It's for Claire.
Claire, where'd you come in from?
Claire, come in, Captain Kirk. We've landed.
It's got your face too. You know? So it's.
No, seriously, you're
yeah.
videoing me. This is gonna be like a
You're
nightmare
videoing
for
yourself.
you.
You're holding the camera. You're videoing yourself. What do you mean?
Can I video Ryan Reynolds? Deadpool, do something funny. Say something funny. Have y'all seen Deadpool 2 yet? Look at the whole crew. Except the camera's not on, I don't think. Are you faking me out, man? Look, there's trains going by. It's the middle of the night. We're delirious.
Yeah.
Ryan
Did you know
Reynolds,
it's
just
National
talk-
Flight Attendant Day? Did you know that?
Is it National Flight? Is that what you're videoing?
No, that's what someone said. Someone told me today.
No kidding. I thought every day was National Flight Attendant Day.
I mean, I only got a couple candies today, so I mean.
Are you on your medication tonight? Or is it a little late? You've missed your last medication.
Yeah, it's my last. Oh, man.
Look, his medication ran out.
Yeah, I gotta figure my life out.
Poor baby.
I had no idea who any of those people were. That's what happens every single time you get on the van. It's like, hey, how you doing? Where you coming from? Where you based? All right, I'll see you never. Bada bing, bada boom. You guys know what we do. Boom, boom. Shout out VV Molives. Your hair is looking oh so mighty terrible. What a lovely, lovely flight attendant, National Flight Attendant Holiday Day. Whew. So it's, what time is it? It's 12:54 right now, aka 1 a.m. So everything's closed. So the hotel gives us a little box dinner. What do we got? We got a, what is this? Like a turkey club, cookie, banana, and some chips. Yo, real talk, if anybody actually buys these chips, like, yo, that's L's. You know what I'm saying? It's like, there's so many chip flavors out there. If you go with the classic, it's like, basic. You're a basic. That's what it is. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Get some of these 3D Doritos. Anybody remember? Comment down below. That's how we do it. Check out this amazing view we have. Oh, nice. Look at those beautiful cars. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, mamma mia. Whew. Man, another day, another adventure. Your boy is tired. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we were literally delayed all day today. And, I don't know, we turned some days around, you know what I'm saying? I saw a couple puppies, that was good. And, tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow? We're done tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we're working 3 flights. We're going Ontario to Phoenix, back to Ontario, back to Phoenix, and then we deadhead to Vegas. But I'm gonna see tomorrow if I can call scheduling and be like, yo, I don't wanna do my deadhead, so I can just fly back to Burbank, Uber back to Bel Air, chill with the boys, and never get on a plane ever again. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know how much I'm gonna work this summer, to be honest. We cemented the house for the summer, so we're gonna be in Bel Air for the whole entire summer. It's gonna be sick. I don't know, we're gonna be creating. We literally are in the circle of like, we're so close in terms of like, we know all the social media people, Instagram skits, directors, commercials, like Facebookers, parties. It's crazy. It really has been crazy. So, and this is just only the beginning, so I can't even imagine what this whole summer is gonna be like. I'm so stoked. Glad you guys can come around with the freaking journey. I like these new unis. You guys like the new unis? I like it better than the red, you know what I'm saying? And that is all the time we have for you today, guys. It was a bit of a short one, my bad. Yo, I feel like I can't even like vlog. It's kind of hard to like do these flight attendant vlogs again. I forget like how much time like we have to vlog, which is like none. Like I have time to vlog now, but it's also 1 in the morning and I'm like, bruh, you know, your boy's gotta go to sleep. So if you guys aren't part of the family, let me hit that subscribe button, smash the like on this video, and you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.